What's up? I am Saiasmi Gupta and I am 10 years old. I am the co-founder of 10xkids.com. And if you like this video, here is 10xkids.com, right? And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So I am here with the dance video, and I'm gonna do the hook step of the RRR movie. That Naacho, 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 Naacho. Right? So first we will focus on my legs. Then we'll focus like on the top and then the full body, you can see, right? So let's start. Right, guys, give me a second. I will turn on. Okay, the music. Wait a second. So first we are focusing on my feet, right? So let's first give it a check. Let me try to move my legs a bit like this. It feels nice, right? So let me start the music. Right. So let's do this once again on my leg part. Oops. Right. So let me see if you could see my legs properly. Right, that's nice. So let me turn on this. Wait, what just happened? Right, so this was the whole step, and we focused on the legs right now because the leg was the main part, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will do my camera up. So now let's see. Right. Now we will focus on my face and all the movements of up. Right, so this was it. Now I will, cause I did the leg part 2 times. Now I will do my full face part also. Right. So now I will do my camera a bit, like away from me, so that you can see my leg to my, face to my toes. Maybe I go a bit here. A bit down. Now let's see. No. And a bit up. This should be great. Okay. So let me play the music, guys. now, right now, what will I do? I will play this once again. Right? Now let me just do the camera lot down. Wait. Now last time I'll just show you my feet and then we'll do full body, okay? Right, so you must be thinking that this is like, okay, the like, you know, the legs is difficult, but what about the hand? So right now I don't have a partner with me right now. So what is basically this hook step is that your partner is right beside you, and you know you're like holding them, and both are doing together, right? Now let's see if you can see my full face. No, the feet are, you know, a bit less visible. Right, this is good. I love the song. Oops. What just happened? Wait. Okay, now let me play the song. 30. Now let me.
Hi, this is Prem.
Sorry, guys. I don't know. Another video just played. So, yeah. That's good. Oh, I gotta play it as well. Right, so this was the dance, guys. So comment down below if you want to learn the hook step, and I really hope you liked my video. The next video will be of our regular expressions part 3, but if the next dance video, if you comment down below, then I'll teach you the hook step, or otherwise I'll show you the moonwalk, which I know how to do. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. Thank you guys, bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab! Thank you guys, bye!